for Yamisha Bibia. So I driver for more Ghana. Omeja at to Foxen, papa. Abuzia, Obiba is as a denisi. Abuzia for driver for say at to Foxen, say, Obaba new budget for 2026. Why ya dear say or market, and I walk up beside market women the way woman near see call. But one friend, I driver for and be so much. Into Omeja. Abuzia for a higher Ghana TV. Mr. say, we subscribe to the channel and for my doing share our comment section. I be sure baby. Abujafo. So, last week the finance minister Ato Foxen echo takra the market. And can before now I said 2024 oba budget no oko Accra Makola echo besa ejedifuo ni nkofo muton yama besa omo say almost sitting at saying how is the market going near the 2 days today and I said 3 days morning and I'll call takra the market the chrome hodum echo bisa omuso nsem omuka nsem bebre ye hum bebre omuye settings eba ye enu na driver for say debi after forcing who say call a market square echo bisa mass na ye driver for na ye chika ye spare parts to boy de wo krum ha ya dollar nkan kan mo anti so nkan say ye because mo hu ejuma papa bia wo bo yes wa bo nya sem kitu ebuzia for mo yenko na yenko tie dia a driver for eka now almost say ene to next week say after forcing about montian be cash and chero mo a they are going to increase omulore fet ebuzia nti almost see omuma at forcing till next week say one babonti abeka nsempa pa bia nchero because dollar na or say why reduce no their spare part omu to me to dollar no omu husu enti say one babonti abenye hwe emfa omu so omu concern na next week they are going to increase lorry fare 20%. Ebuzia enya sem kitwa mo mo enko tie adaba for the mbara na eba si obey budget okomokola enanu ye hu se wakọ takura ni Cape Coast ye mani mo ye hunu bi da ye fine but ansana economy ni be ye no enya dava for so nanso dollar confirm more than 1 year ni aboso kan for say ohunu kitamo ntijam Gearbox omampanyini na nado mreso ni atono aya vet gearbox ni atono 4,000 and now ko to beton 6,500 sprinter alternator ni atono 700 and now ko to beton 1,000 CSC akanka bebre abana beto electricity so watu insuso onu yankasa insurance watum onu yankasa roadways watum uko register car watum give a top charges in them yentime won say dollar no say ne man enkana na transport so untimi nya transport untimi nya maintenance and this is any man nyina guso koso na wakọ market to market yes let me say aka 2 days pe omo modra so be kwa boso kan na wakọ bisa boso kan kokompe Kumasi magazine ni omo ya hunu say adaba fo so ya no so ya bre because dollar ni ehunu ho hwe say enya petrol nka ya transport egu ye ni say omanpanyi abai na ko be bibi di aboayen enso autobus ASCC ani ayalolo wako won kohwe won class asa egu o enya hwio so obe maintain cars ne keke spabas na ne boye ten enka dollar no endi yese ye papa Ato force enne ni o kine ya wa me antie ne ho nka ewo aboso kan kokompe Kumasi magazine na se odi budget ne ba ya ante hwio won a eda ya woda si ante a Friday obeti da ba fonka 2021 no 6 December no ye tia twa ya nkwaduma si anti atua ye beto roll from about 20% ento am ye hu se wakọ bisa na se ne ma na nkofrem a bro nyan Ghana fo hu se ye ne won bedi no nwenwen enye dede so aboso kan fo se mom tam ko si dabe aba we ba ho so mo se ye mom 6 months no mfenye de enfen to mo ye mada na wo ko ya 6 months ne se se ye how many months 10 months me wa okay yate eno enyina ho ene mi gina won aka kire aban omampani mahama se ade esi wo Kumasi no omma biem sida na se ebisi biem a obeti enka o ma sojafo
kwache driver for say omu lodu short I am bi ampache o mebo aba no bai wama driver for car oba ye wame ate lol fe so yankasa light we ye 1 city yankasa busa say oba ye no wame ye car I am bi a ochiche position driver for o ma ye bi wame ye bi wani driver for bi ansha enso omu ye campaign omu be station omu ne eto nsa didi and never bi e dun say driver follow do short wa mo di soldier for kwache om edu anu ama me traffic kumase driver ni timi load what tell to so 3 hours asan wakodu wa anya se obeda no nya 6 na se bi ebisi bi ma wa di soldier for car any abanka ni police for car ebe dey ebe sa workers dia kwaduma
ma de ebe se ka tell say nye pass ni nya ba cash no na suspect pass boy dey no ko shops cash ni na go shops nti won nya aboso kai for kasa na dollar na ba form mo so ni ma na mra form say the ba driver for cash access shops no so mo ko aboso ka manya scatter suspect pass no e dey acquisition mo car e tie why e be cash clear so.
You talked about your party.
Right.
Which party?
The New Patriotic Party, NPP. That is my party.
MPP.
Yes, that's correct.
We have it intact still?
Omayin, good question. Let me tell you something. Mamanka Damasemi. Party bia, political party bia, or go through in social P. Share. Yenu anu NDC for ande wawa bemi. In 2000, they went through their very low moment. There was total chaos in NDC in the year 2001. In fact, history will tell you that the first 2 years of NDC in opposition and the Kufuor, none could even have the courage to come on radio, TV to speak for NDC. Leadership crisis. But they had Alban Bagbin, who was minority leader. Now Okasamo or parliament. Them yen mami hanatete. Onye Omampeyin Mahama. They were the new face. Now workers or parliament. Now what started one radio. Naze. Now by 2004, they had managed to regain momentum to the extent that some seats been put if you won same in 2000 elections, and they took it back. By 2008, to the surprise of many, NDC had rebranded and Professor Mills won. What point am I trying to make here? I'm trying to say that admittedly we are having some challenges as a party.
Not just challenges.
It is to be
one.
It is, you can add that to it. I don't mind. But I will tell you today, nyame ya aduma yebefim. Anope masam ya krupe to all party full soldiers, party leaders. Inya yankote nye party a ye kodomun sohwe mu. Masre party mba abutar. I know people have interests. Interest is obia will be. But to the extent that you are an MPP member, no, who interest should be MPP and MPP alone. Ibio, a crew year in Yeneziban. For instance, presidential prime minister Okodi. All the yenina ye there after 31st January. Or there, yeah, campaign. The whoever will win. Inti yano kasa. Yana na montu. Minimde aza wofre ne bufu wo binum homu. De dem anadem, but me pede MPP yin biara olte manope. Okay no hu de. Or de party mbe nyinara wajitumi de. Internal elections onye atwerko